We are in the library. It is week 5, module 5, and I wanted to kind of give you a view of what you're doing when you're looking up the books for this week's assignment. Now you're going to be using the catalog, and we already had a video showing you how to use the catalog to try to give you an understanding, but I want you to know how to actually physically find it in the library even though you're not here. So if I was doing a topic, you all have chosen your topics, hopefully you've turned that in by now, and you've given your research question. If my topic had to do with families, and my research question was dealing with family dynamics, and I wanted to understand how family dynamics have changed over time and what they are today compared to the past, then I'm going to start researching family dynamics in the catalog and start looking at the books that will be useful to help answer that question. Now, your final paper that you're turning in, the annotated bibliography, you're not actually writing a paper telling me and putting everything together and telling me the answer to the question. You are going to be finding the resources you could use to answer the question, but you're not actually answering it. And then you're going to give me summaries of those resources, and we're going to be doing this over the semester so you don't have to do it all at the end. And so this is the beginning process. I want you to actually find books, specifically books. Don't give me anything else. And guys, you have trouble following the instructions. Follow the instructions that are given on the assignment so that you get it right and you get full credit, okay? And if you have a question, just ask me. Email me and ask me. I have no problem answering that. So when I look up a book, it's going to give me the call number. Remember, that's the way that we find the address of the book, because there's far too many to just memorize it, okay? And this is the Library of Congress system. So I have a call number that's HD, and it's 7109, I think is what it is. I'll have to look again. But it's going to be between these two numbers, okay? So you're just looking for the end of the column here, and you're just looking for where your call number falls in, 7,000, 3,000, whatever your number is. So then I'm going to go through the books here. 7091, I knew it was something like that. And I have the call number. And then I just look at the next part, G56. So I'm looking past the numbers to my first part, and then you break it down and go to the next part. And then I'm looking for the year or the next part in the call number. Guys, this is the year. Some books have the year in the call number. If the call number, when you look it up on the catalog, if there is not a year, you need to look up the year using Amazon, Google Books. You have to include the year for your book if you're not able to physically come and look at the book, okay? You can't just leave that off. It is important. Now, in the catalog, it tells you that the year of the author, their birth year, okay? That is not the date for the book. I do not want that number. Do not give me the number that comes after the author name. That is not the year of the book, all right? Remember, you're doing citations as well for your books. There's only 2, I believe, in the assignment. And guys, again, if you have any questions, let me know. All the citations are APA format, and it is detailed, so you have to pay attention to the details. I look at the details, and I give you feedback based on those. I will try to have any other videos that I put in there. Please watch them, because they're there to help you and to teach you so you do well in the class, okay? And so you do well in the assignments. And I will list any other announcements that are coming up. I've changed the grades for the pre-test so that you have the full credit now. We've gotten all the statistics for that we needed. And continuing to grade as we go. It takes time, guys. There's 49 of you, so you gotta be patient. Remember, in the syllabus it says that I have up to 2 weeks to try to grade this stuff for you, okay? So just be patient. As well, you can turn things in late. If you got a 0 because you didn't turn it in, you can turn things in late. There's a late policy in the syllabus. So look at the syllabus to understand what you can do. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys next week.